Lamontez, good morning.
Yes.
Come into the camera, sir. All right, sit up, please. Well, let's act like this is some importance to you. What's your name, sir? Give me your full name.
Lamonte is over here.
All right, good morning to you. Then I have Lakeisha. Good morning to you, Miss Lakeisha. What is your full name, please?
Lawson.
Miss Lakeisha, what is your last name, please?
Lawson.
Lawson. Good morning to you.
Morning.
All right, let's go, Mr. Officer Reeves.
Welcome, Richard. All rise. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While court is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no hoodies, no smoking, no talking while the judge is talking. Mute your phones while court is in session. Take heed to the instructions. Good morning. Court is in session. You may be seated.
Good morning. All right, good morning, everyone. What we're gonna try to do is get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. We're gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. There is an order. So please be ready, be sitting up, dressed appropriately. If you're not, we're gonna put you at the end of the line. No driving in court. And are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, we are.
All right, good morning to you. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Melvin Goss, case number SP 175876661. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Mr. Goss, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Melvin Goss.
All right, there's date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Goss, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
All right, you too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank
you. Yep. Have a good day.
Ochoa Perez, buenos dias. Mr. Ochoa Perez, Jorge, Luis Ochoa Perez.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Okay, today's date and time set for a trial. I'm going to give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock to 9:30. If the officer does not arrive, then we'll get you out of here. If the officer does arrive, we'll get you in a breakout room with an attorney. Do you need an interpreter, sir?
I do not. I do not, Your Honor.
Very well. All right.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Mr. Long Johnson, are you there? Sorry, I stopped the video. City of Detroit versus Mr. Donovan. Where is he?
Can you hear me? Hello?
Good morning to you. This is City
Good
of
morning.
Detroit versus Donovan Long Johnson, case numbers SP 1674437, counts 1 and 2, SP 1766381, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Long Johnson.
Donovan Long Johnson.
All right, good morning to you, sir. There is a time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with him. Let us know what you wanna do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I haven't received the invitation for the room.
No, you're waiting on, I'm waiting on the officers to appear on your case.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Thank
I'm
you.
gonna give them a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock, so sit tight, please.
No problem, sir. Thank you.
City of Detroit. Versus Laura Ashley Gaines, case number SP 1758810, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearing for the record, please.
My name is Laura Gaines.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Ms. Gaines.
Ms. Gaines, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. We'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you wanna do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Jeremy Gates here.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir. This is the City of Detroit versus Jeremy Lee Gates. Case number SP 1724800, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 173250012. State your name for the record, please, Mr. Gates. Mr. Gates, can you hear me?
Jeremy Gates.
Good morning.
Yes,
Today is
Jeremy Gates.
I got you. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were supposed to pay, I see you paid SP 172480001. I'm gonna dismiss that case. You paid it. SP 173250012. I'm gonna dismiss that case. You paid it. It's one more, SP 172480002. You owe 240 on. When can you pay that?
I'm like one more week, that one will be paid.
All right, you sure? You want me, you need some more time? Let me know. Put a date on it. I'm gonna turn your video off, see if that helps the transmission. I'll give you till October the 10th, 2025. Pay it at any did that. You know how to pay it. Pay it at any did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that did that app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways you can pay it. If you heard me, sir, you're free to leave. Wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You do the same.
All right, thank you. City of Detroit versus Wallace, Adam Gilbert Jr. Case number SP 1755931. Appearance for the record, please.
Wallace Gilbert.
State your name, I'm sorry. State your name for the record, I'm sorry.
Wallace Adam Gilbert Jr.
Okay, you had a very good deal here, sir. You were supposed to pay $240. You didn't pay.
Sir, I actually came down to the court and I spoke to your clerk through the door yesterday. I mean, not yesterday, Wednesday. I was there and I was told to come back to court today.
Maybe they just wanted you to pay. Why didn't you just go down there and pay?
Sir, I went down there to pay. They didn't have a record. They couldn't take my money. They gave me the courtroom number. I went up to the courtroom. I was told to come back to court today.
All right, when can you pay it, Mr. Gilbert?
I could catch it. It's kind of late now. I could pay it Monday.
Come back Monday. Pay it any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gilbert, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. You have a good day as well.
You have a better one. Is K1 on Graves here? Is Lopez Esteban here? Let's go back on the record for Mr. Long Johnson. Mr. Long Johnson, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that he might return with docket.
Okay, Mr. Long Johnson, come back on the 20th of October, 20th of October at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. You have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Ms. Lakeisha Lawson. (9:15), you're supposed to be back Monday morning, Ms. Lawson.
Sorry.
Monday morning, 9:15, September the 15th.
Not today?
Not today.
They said Friday the 12th. Okay.
It said Friday the 12th?
That's what I put in my calendar.
Oh, maybe there's some mix up somewhere. It says here in the system, the 15th. Were you supposed to get an attorney appointed to you?
I got one.
Okay, very well. Who was that?
You know what? I don't even know his name.
Come back on the 15th, man. There's nothing further. Have a very good weekend. We'll see you on Monday.
You as well.
City of Detroit, Mr. Barry versus Davon Lanier. Case number SP 1766379, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lanier.
Devon Lanier.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Lanier, I'm going to put you in the breakout room. Mr. Barry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay, may I
Join the
speak, Your
room.
Honor?
Pardon me.
Your Honor,
Go ahead, speak to Mr. Berry first, and if he can't help you, let us know, all right?
all right, yes, sir.
We'll pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the records of Ms. Gaines. Ms. Gaines, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Gaines?
Yes.
All right, trial is gonna be October the 20th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. Gaines, have a very good day and best
You
of
as
luck.
well. Thank you.
Anthony Logan, are you here?
Yes.
Anthony Mandel Logan.
Yes,
Right.
sir. Yes, sir.
City of Detroit. This is Anthony Mandel Logan, case number SP 1765026, counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3, SP 1765610, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1765741. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Logan, please state your name.
Anthony Logan.
All right, Mr. Logan, the day is date time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Mr. Boffman, good morning to you. Who's your client? On the iPhone, I'm asking you to start your video, unmute yourself and state your name. Good morning to you, sir. What is your name, please?
Good morning, sir. I'm Officer Cruz, Detroit Police Department.
Officer.
Cruz, C-R-U-Z.
Officer Cruz. Good morning to you, Officer Cruz.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Motorola Moto Razor. Good morning to you. Unmute yourself, state your name, please.
Raymond Green.
Pardon me?
Raymond Green.
Raymond Green. Good morning to you, Mr. Green.
Good morning.
All right, Ms. Harris.
Your Honor, Mr. Logan indicates that he sent you an email with his documentation. Just wanted to see if the court had that.
I'm gonna forward it to you.
Thank you.
that's cut off for, formal hearing. Y'all work it out, or you still working on it? Now, let's go back on the record with Mr. Logan. Mr. Logan, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do? Take your hat off, Michael's iPhone, please.
I mean, Judge, like I said, I had told the attorney that yesterday when I was
Hold
at
on,
work,
Mr. Logan, hold on one second.
He's out and come back in.
Your Honor, are you referring to Anthony Logan's
I
matter?
know my phone ain't just go
No,
off.
no. No, everybody's got to mute yourselves except Mr. Logan and Ms. Harris. No, yeah, Anthony Logan. Let's go back on the record with Anthony Logan. What does your client want to do?
I think you were indicating you were sending me the email that he sent you.
I did.
Okay. Well, can we confirm the status of his license?
Okay. Can we get a check, license check on Mr. Logan? Now let's go off the record with Logan. Mr. Boffman, who's your client? On iPhone 219, good morning to you.
Good
What
morning.
is your name, please?
Kenyatta Lisa. Kenyatta Lisa, good morning.
Good morning to you. Michael's iPhone, good morning to you. Its license is valid for Logan.
Thank you, Your Honor. I will speak with Ms. Horn. One moment, please.
Very well. Ms. Lisa, can you put some more clothes on a little bit, please? Michael's iPhone.
Yes,
Good morning to you, sir. Take your hat off, please. What is your full name?
Michael Kevin Gaines.
Michael Kevin Gaines.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Gotta take your hat off, Mr. Gaines. Thank you. Mr. Boffman. Ms. Davis, are you ready on anyone?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who are you ready on?
So I am ready on Mr. Mr. Griffin.
Let's go on the City of Detroit versus Alex Bernard Griffin, case number SP 171-41531, SP 174-70201. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Maya Davis, P88515, standing in for Counsel of Record Vassell and Johnson II, here for Mr. Griffin, who is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Griffin, can you please unmute yourself and state your name for the record?
You have to press *6 to unmute yourself, please. Mr. Griffin, press *6 to unmute yourself. Is this set for a bench trial?
That is correct, Your Honor. Let me see if I can give him a call.
October 20th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further,
Right.
your client's free to leave.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Who's next? Ready on anyone else? Mr. Boffman, I got Christian LaPointe.
Judge, we already have a trial date. This matter was set for pre-trial today. We're going to continue a not guilty plea. If you want to go on the record, I'm happy to.
City of Detroit versus Christian Blue LaPointe. Case number is SP 1436376, counts 1, 2, and 3. Strike that count 3. SP 1689195, SP 1703423, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1728911, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1745221, SP 1745231, SP 1762070, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman, P55052, for the defendant, Mr. LaPointe. State your full and complete name, please.
Hi, Christian LaPointe.
Judge, we are continuing a not guilty plea at this point. The matter has been pre-trial. We are continuing to trial scheduled on October 16th at 9 a.m. We'll be ready.
Good morning to you, Mr. LaPointe. Trial date, October 16th, 9 a.m. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That's the only one you have, Mr. Boffman?
That's everything for today. Have a great day.
Good to see you. Have a good weekend.
Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lanier. Mr. Lanier, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as registration. We seek dismissal for having valid documents.
I'm going to dismiss the cases, Mr. Lanier, for provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you, sir. You as well.
City of Detroit versus City of Detroit versus Jessica Olivo, case number SP 1144834, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1171079, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1195879, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1425375, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 15317071, SP 1608322, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1765411, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, State your full name, Ms. Olivo.
Jessica Olivo.
Okay, good morning to you, Mr. Leo. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
Join the room, let us know what you wanna do. When you come out, let's pass the matter.
Good morning, Your Honor. The people are requesting co-host, please.
Morning to you, Ms. Kwan. Have you worked it out, Counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You worked it out?
Oh, I'm sorry. We're sort of waiting to see if the officer.
Very good.
Yes, Your Honor. I did speak with Mr. Schwartz and will speak with Officer Crecciolo if he's here.
Very well.
Thank you.
Officer,
I'm sorry.
Officer Turner called and checked in.
Officer who?
Turner, he checked in on Glad.
Charles Turner?
Yes.
All right, Gladden is here. He needs to come on back.
He said he'll be back.
Gladden only got the one officer? Yes. Very well. Let's get that. And then Officer Sharif on Ochoa. Fitzgerald Harris is here. We're waiting on one other officer, Officer Wafer for Ochoa. What happened to Samantha Brooks? She was supposed to be here this morning as well. House counsel. So it has on the list, and unless that's supposed to be PM.
And to Mr. Schwartz in the courtroom and to the court, I don't see Officer Crecciolo as yet, and I know the court will wait before dismissing for no officer, but I don't see him in here yet.
All right, Ms. Harris is waiting on you and for Ms. Horn.
Okay. On my way, Your Honor. Thank you.
Are we ready on anybody else, Ms. Davis? All right, we're waiting on a lawyer. Are you at work, Mr. Gaines?
Yes, sir.
His license, please.
Get out of here. Yeah, get out.
Is K1 Graves here? Mr. Gaines, do you have valid insurance to show the court?
No, sir. I no longer had a car, sir.
Mustafa Garcia Fernandez.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Fernandez. All the time. Why are you here, sir?
Your Honor, I had missed yesterday's court date.
Judge, I was listening to you. She had a power outage. She said everything is back up now. She's trying to log back in.
Is Natoya Graves?
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning, do you have valid insurance now?
No, I do not. I don't have the vehicle
I'm
anymore.
gonna let you speak to a lawyer, all right?
All right, thank you.
City of Detroit versus Santia Gooch, case number SP 1662269. Ms. Williams Law, are we ready?
She logged her hand, but she said she was coming.
Hold on, Ms. Gooch. Morning.
Morning.
Mr. Dupree, who you have?
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Jackson Langsdale.
Here. Mr. Langsdale, are you here? He was. All right, I'm gonna put Mr. Langsdale in breakout room 7. You have the ability. Good morning, Mr. Langsdale. Your counselor's gonna come see you, all right?
Thank you, Judge.
Good morning, Counselor.
Good morning, Judge.
James Garner, that side.
We have a recommendation on Mr. Logan, Your Honor.
We're waiting on a court reporter now.
Okay. Mr. Logan, could you please rejoin breakout room 3 so I can explain the offer to you?
Okay. How do I do that?
Judge, are you able to hear me?
Ready to go?
Thank you. Apologies.
Are we ready to go?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes,
Are we
great.
ready?
Thank- Yes.
City of Detroit versus Santia Gooch, case number SP 166-22691. Ms. Gooch, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Santia Gooch. Unmute yourself, state your name for the record, please.
Santia Gooch.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a show cause, manner not guilty plea. On your behalf, I'm gonna give you a $0 bond. And now I'm gonna dismiss the case because you paid, ma'am. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you. You too.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Logan. Mr. Logan, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to request a trial date.
Trial date will be October 20th at 9 a.m., Mr. Logan. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you. You too.
City of Detroit versus Michael Kevin Gaines. Case number SP 1713123, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gaines, please state your name for the record.
Michael Kevin Gaines.
Day, date, and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We're gonna give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gaines has a valid driver's license. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Gaines, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay, Your Honor.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's cut off for officers. We're ready to go, Mr. We're ready. Step up, please. City of Detroit versus Jeremy Nathan Link. Case number 253554261. Appearance for the record, please.
Jeremy Lake. Seymour Schwartz, Your Honor, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Okay, Mr. Link. Date and time set for a trial is there. And officer with the badge number 949, CRECHIOLO. Hearing no response.
We'll move for dismissal, Your Honor.
All right, what's your pay number, Mr. Schwartz?
29789.
Very well. Dismissed, no officer. Best of luck to you, Mr. Link, and everyone else. Good to see you, Counselor. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And Judge, can I get the council's name if you're not quite here?
Can you put your name on the record again?
I can. Seymour, Seymour, Schwartz, Schwartz.
Thank you.
All right.
Have a great day.
You have a better one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Olivo. Ms. Olivo, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's current offer to enter a plea to 3 counts of improper plates for for registration and 2 no insurance charges, as well as failure to display as to the license charge, one of the license charges, and limited access 1 to 5 miles over.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for the misdemeanors are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to pick those rights up?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear the last thing.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to July the 30th, 2025 at around 5:06 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Martin and Wagner. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was this your 2009 Lincoln?
No, Your Honor.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, Your Honor.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, Your Honor.
Why is that?
Because it's suspended currently.
Very well. I'll find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Did you run a stop sign, ma'am?
He said I yielded.
What did you do?
I feel like I stopped, but he claimed I yielded, so I'm not gonna question the officer.
You're not gonna what?
I'm not going to question the officer.
You say you stopped. He say you didn't stop all the way, right?
Right, he said I yielded only.
All right, let me ask you this. Let me carry your attention back to August the 1st, 2024 at around 6:34 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Warren and Veneto. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
The same 2009 Lincoln, huh?
Yeah, it's my sister's car.
And were you speeding on that day?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5. Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, Your Honor.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, Your Honor,
Why is that?
because it was currently suspended then as well.
Very well. Find your client guilty of, I'm just gonna give her an allowing. It's the same difference, Ms. Levo, as same effect as it's the same effect as a improper plate. Let me carry your attention back to June 29th, 2020, strike that, January 29th, 2024, at around 5:34 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Martin and Devereaux. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Same 2009 Lincoln, huh? You didn't have a driver's license at that time either, did you?
No, Your Honor.
Find you guilty of allowing. And lastly, let me draw your attention back to January 20th, 2023 at around 7:15 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Toledo and Clark. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Operate a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, Your Honor.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, Your Honor.
And why is that?
I didn't have it.
And don't tell me, that's not the same 2005 Lincoln,
No.
Lincoln.
No.
Whose Nissan was that?
A friend.
You just got all these cars and no driver's license, huh?
I mean, they just try to help me out because they know I need to get to work and I need to get to school. I mean, my son needs to get to school.
When are you gonna get a license?
I'm actually working on it now. I'm trying to better myself in every way now. That's why I appeared to court and I didn't avoid it this time. And, I'm just trying to do everything right this time and just slowly but surely try to get my stuff together. Just finances wise, I wish I could pay everything at one time, but the way the economy is set up, my bills are set up, it's a little hard, but I'm trying to do the best I can.
That economy is not like it was promised, is it?
No.
Let's see here, as far as, I don't see anything, and I told you this last time, that here is affecting you from getting a license. I don't know what your license looks like in the other jurisdictions.
I think I owe Dearborn one ticket and that's it. I have to call, the lawyer was telling me that I could get a printout at Secretary of State. That way I could see what else I owe. So I could work towards paying them so I could get my license because I'm tired of moving around like this. I just want to be 100% legit.
All right. All right, I'm gonna fine you. Fine you for two of them, 240 and 240. So I'll waive the warrant fees.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, your number of civil infractions that I'm sure went along with all these other tickets, so I'm gonna give you a break on that. When can you pay it? What I'm gonna do is, I'm not even gonna ask you that. I'm gonna set you up 30 days from now, the 13th, come on back. I'm gonna mark the file allowed payment plan
Thank you, Your Honor.
and come back on October 13th, 2025 at 8:25. Do one of two things, either pay it off, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it and get into the payment plan before October 13th. And if it's in the payment plan, you'll be done with me, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate you.
All right, there's nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You do the same. Thank you so much.
You will.
And Your Honor, good morning. It's Corporal Boris. Sorry for interrupting you. I am currently in training right now. I already talked to the prosecutor. I am on standby for, she has my number just in case if I need to come back. I just wanted to double check with you to make sure I can leave and be on call for her.
Okay, Oni is here too. All right, we'll get, as soon as we'll get this, we're not gonna be long because we don't have that many people. So I'll, as soon as he comes up, we'll have him call you if we need you.
Got it. Okay, thank you so much.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Mr. Berry versus Sharnice Mary Gladden, case number SB 166-33451. Appearance for the record, please.
Norwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gladden.
Sharnice Gladden, are you there? Unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please. Officer Charles Turner, good morning to you.
Yes, I'm here. My phone was stuck on mute. Sharnice Gladden.
All right, good morning to you. Officer Turner was here. I don't know where he is now. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Gladden an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Gladden, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll put you in a breakout with Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Join the room. Let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Gaines. Mr. Gaines, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea to the amended count of improper plates.
Mr. Gaines.
Yes.
You don't have a vehicle at all?
No, sir.
You're not getting one?
Am I gonna get another one? Yes, eventually, yes.
When?
I'm not sure. I ain't had the money for it right now.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Draw your attention back to April 19, 2025, at around 12:29 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Grand Boulevard and Palmer. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact
Yes,
with
sir.
Detroit? Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce valid, was this your 2013 Ford?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce valid insurance.
Yes, he did.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
And why is that?
Because I let my insurance collapse.
All right, very well, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of operating of improper plate. $240 is the fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. Mr. Gaines, when can you pay it?
Wednesday.
All right, come back on next Friday. If it's paid, you don't have to come back. Come back this Friday. If it's paid, you don't have to come back. If you pay it by the DivDat kiosk, or if you come on down to the courthouse and pay it, you don't have to, it'll go through immediately. I'll see it, I'll dismiss the case. Pay it any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I told you, you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Lamontez Delshawn O'Rear, case number SP 1709014, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. O'Rear, please state your name for the record.
Lamontez O'Rear.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. O'Rear. Today is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf to recall the warrants. Mr. O'Rear, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Davis, are you ready on anyone?
Your Honor, I think Mr. Kyle Grant is in the waiting room.
Kyle Grant?
Yes.
I don't see anybody in the waiting room.
Okay.
I see a Samsung. What is your name, sir? Unmute yourself, please. Good morning. Unmute yourself on the Samsung. Good morning to you. What's your name, sir?
Kyle Grant.
There he is.
Oh, thank you.
You need to speak with him in the breakout room?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Grant, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with your attorney. She's gonna get you an updated offer, or she'll talk to you, and
Yes, sir.
see. Join me, please. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gladden. Ms. Gladden, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Further prosecutor, Your Honor, this matter is to be dismissed.
All right, Ms. Gladden, case dismissed. If it's
Thank
nothing
you.
further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
Thank you. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Natoya Jeanette Gray.
Yes, Your Honor.
Case, good morning, case number SP 171961661. Here for the record, please.
Ms. Toya Gray.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Graves, date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a non-guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Graves, I'm going to give you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. You ready, Mr. Dupree?
Sorry, Judge, I didn't realize I was muted. Yes, Your Honor.
Is that Langsdale?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Jackson Langsdale, case number SP 1730549. 1, 2, and 3, SP 1730600, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, P at 0132, attorney for the defendant. Mr. Langsdale, would you unmute your device, state your name, please?
Jackson Langsdale.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Officer Raphael. Good morning to you. He's in the record. All right, what's going to be the resolution here?
Judge, we have reached a proposed resolution under which the defendant would plead guilty. He'd plead guilty to the open intox ticket, which would be reduced to open intox as a passenger. The possession of usable marijuana motor vehicle ticket, which would have a 3-month delayed sentence if the court would permit it. And the fail to signal for turn, which would be reduced to blockading. The remaining matters would be dismissed upon stipulation of probable cause. The defense would withdraw its motion to dismiss the facsimile firearm charge.
Hello, how's it going?
Officer Raphael, can you take your hat off? Good morning to you. State your name, badge, number, department for the record, please.
I'm Officer Raphael, Detroit Police Department, badge 1946.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
So, blocking traffic for the
Correct, Judge.
Transport marijuana as charged.
Correct, Your Honor.
And open alcohol and motor vehicle passenger. Is that what you want to do, sir?
Correct.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Langsdale?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Other right. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
The misdemeanor offenses, that is. You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Dupree went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did you not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 27th, 2025, at around 1:05 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Fort and Whitmere Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
In a motor vehicle?
What kind of motor vehicle?
No, were you in a motor vehicle?
Oh, yes.
And would you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
I believe it was a Don Julio bottle.
Okay, was it some alcohol in there?
It was almost empty.
Almost empty means there was some alcohol in there, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Find your client guilty of the amended count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. As far as, was there some marijuana in that vehicle?
There was 2 joint containers in the center console. I don't know if there was actually joints in there. They were just in the car.
What's a joint container?
So it's like it holds it, if that makes sense. It's like a plastic tube.
That's how they sell them at the dispensary now, huh?
Yeah.
Judge, we'd stipulate to that some amount of cannabis was within each or one of the containers.
And that was in the passenger compartment of the vehicle, correct?
It was in the center console.
Very well. Finds you guilty based on that stipulation and your admission of being in the passenger compartment. Finds you guilty of as charged in the operating for the transporting marijuana illegally. And stipulate to the place of the ticket as an actual factual basis for that responsibility on your
Yes,
client's
Your Honor.
behalf for the blocking traffic amended count.
Yes, Judge.
Find your client guilty of that. I mean, responsible, I'm sorry, responsible. Is all this under a 3-month delay or just the transport marijuana under a 3-month delay?
Just the transport marijuana, Judge. The other two matters are not eligible under the law for a delayed sentence because they're, well, one of them is an abstractable offense and the other one's a civil infraction. I don't think technically civil infractions are allowed to be delayed.
The civil infraction is really of no consequence, right?
Yeah.
All right. I'll fine you for, I'll fine you for the blocking traffic 175, and I'll fine you 240 for the transporting marijuana. I'll cut you a break on the open alcohol. I won't fine you for that. 240, 175 review is going to be set for December the 12th, 2025 at 8:25. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If you don't get in any trouble and you have your stuff paid off by December the 12th, when you come back, then that one case, transport marijuana, will be dismissed. I wish you the best of luck. Mr.
Wait,
Lane.
so I have court again?
Yes, you do. December the 12th.
What's the date? December?
December the 12th, yes, at 8:25.
Okay, how long do I have to pay this?
December the 12th.
Okay.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Yes, well. Anybody else, Mr. Dupree?
That's it for me for today, Judge. Have a good one. Have a good weekend.
You're welcome. On that Wing Tech device, can you unmute yourself? Good morning to you. What is your name, please? Unmute yourself on the Wing Tech device. That is
Roger Lewis.
Roger Lewis.
Yeah, Roger William Lewis.
Roger William Lewis. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Graves. Ms. Graves, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to improper plates.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
I don't think you have anything to lose by taking it to trial. Only have something to gain, or it stays the same.
Yeah,
Still
I don't know nothing about how this really works. Like, if I could just pay it, get it over with, I don't really.
You can just pay it, but I just told you, you can take it to trial. It can't get any worse. It can only get better or stay the same.
I'll take it to trial then.
Trial date. October the 20th, 2025 at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck. Ms. Graves, have a very good rest of your day.
All right, you too. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus James Garrett. Case number is SP1547439-1, SP15931-451, SP1742870, counts 1 and counts 2, SP174626561. Appearance for the record, please.
Elvis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Garrett.
James Garrett.
It's also called SP16434. 38792 into the record. Good morning to you, Mr. Garrett. Day of date and time set for a trial. He was supposed to get an attorney. Let's make sure, did the attorney call you, Mr. Garrett?
No, sir.
Let's make sure he gets that attorney right now, Ms. Mathis, please. Let's pass the matter. I'm gonna get one in here now for you, Mr. Garrett. Mr. Berry.
The final grant file.
Kyle Grant. It's the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Idell Deshawn Oni. Case number SP 1604589, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1630197, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1696941, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1696946, counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3. SP 170610, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1706122, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1758513, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1768349, counts 1 and counts 2.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Oni.
Idell Deshawn Oni.
All right, Mr. Oni, good morning to you. Day of date and time set for a trial. He's got 2 cases that he got recently that are on, well, no, they're on the docket. They're on the docket. Officer Cruz, are you there?
Your Honor, Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, P70303. On the Cruz matter, police officer, he wishes to dismiss for no recollection.
Okay.
Also, ticket ending in 971972, Officer Darius Jones wishes to dismiss for no recollection.
Okay.
And ticket ending in 5891 and 2, Officer Eddie Dunn. Dismissal for no recollection, Your Honor.
Okay. You're winning, Mr. Cruz. Mr. Oni, you didn't have to say a word yet.
Man, I'm feeling blessed, man. It's been a hard fight. You've been dealing with me for a minute, and I thank you for your patience.
All right. Let's go get Mr. Oni. He was in training. We got him here, Mr. Berry. We can get him here if we need to. Officer Dunn was here. His case is no recollection. Officer Jones is here, no recollection. I think we're missing Officer Titus. So those cases, I haven't seen Officer Titus. Is Officer Cooper here?
I've spoken with neither of those officers, Your Honor, at this time.
I don't see them on my list either. Man, he is blessed today, huh?
And Your Honor, so we're just addressing Officer Sharif's case and Borsh's case, and I can speak with you about that, Mr. Elwood, Mr. Berry.
I don't see an Officer Sharif.
I did speak with him because he wanted the insurance case to stick, and so I asked him if he would be fine with the improper.
Who was off? I don't see Officer Sharif for Oni.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're
You're right. Thank you, Your Honor. Let me make a line between these two. Thank you, Your Honor. So yes, Officer Borsh, and so I'll step into a breakout room with you, Mr. Berry, shortly.
Mr. Oni, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Today is the date and time set for the trial.
All right,
Join the
thank
room,
you.
let's pass the matter. Ms. Harris, let's go back on the record with Mr. O'Rear. Mr. O'Rear, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I've advised Mr. O'Rear of his rights. Mr. O'Rear, were you taking advantage of the plea or did you want to set a trial date?
I'll do the plea.
Your Honor, he's going to enter a plea to the amended count of improper plate.
You want, can you raise your right hand, Mr. O'Rear?
Yep.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to April the 9th, 2025 at around 2:31 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile Woodward. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Was this your 2002 Chevy?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid insurance for it?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, not at the time.
Why is that?
Sorry.
Why couldn't you produce the insurance, Mr. Over?
Oh, well, I did, but I didn't. I guess he told me it never was on file, so I don't know what happened for real. But yeah.
So are you gonna, you're just gonna go with him?
No, I'm saying like when I even tried to pull it up, I couldn't find it. So yeah, I couldn't even fight that for real.
So you didn't have insurance?
No.
Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate. $240 will be the fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay it, Mr. Over?
About let's say October, September, ain't yeah, October.
I'm gonna give them to October 13th, 2025 to pay it. Come on back October 13th, 2025, pay it. Then you did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I told you to upload the did that app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. O'Rear. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you too.
Officer M. Brown is free to leave. I don't see, oh, let me get Ochoa Perez out of here. Ms. Harris, let's get Ochoa Perez. City of Detroit versus Jorge Luis Ochoa Perez, case number SP 1188771, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 15852611, SP 1656582, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1662500, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Harris on behalf of Mr. Ochoa Perez, please state your name for the record.
Good morning. My name is Jorge Luis Ochoa Perez.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Date is the date and time set for a trial. Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Ms. Harris, I have Officer Fitzgerald Harris I'm trying to bring out of the breakout room, and I have Officer Sharif I'm trying to bring out of the breakout room. I have not seen an Officer Joseph Mr. Ochoa, speak to Ms. Harris in the breakout room. She's going to get you an updated offer. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Today is the date time set for this trial.
Your Honor, defense will move to dismiss on Officer Wafer's matters.
Very good. I'll grant the motion to dismiss. All right, let's pass the matter. On Officer M. Brown, good morning to you. I don't see Artavia.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Garth. I don't see, is Artavia Garth here? I don't see Artavia Garth. You're free to leave. Be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, sir.
of the city of Detroit. Versus Roger William Lewis. Case numbers SP 1722694, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1722734, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1649646, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1649641, SP 1649611. Appearance for the record, please. State your name for the record, please, Mr. Lewis.
Roger William Lewis.
Today is the date and time set for a trial / formal hearing. Officer Love, Officer Rob Johnson, Officer Love, and Officer Johnson. I have not seen those officers join the room. I'm going to dismiss the case for no officers. There's nothing further, Mr. Lewis. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you. You have a great day, sir.
All right.
Yep. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Oni. Mr. Oni, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to the improperly displayed plate and plead to the expired plate, one count of the expired plates, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Oni?
Yes, sir. Well, I would like to let the court know, like I've been saying since the beginning, I'm in sort of a hardship situation. Like I spent all my money trying to save my home and get this car fixed up. So I did everything the court asked me to do, and I take accountability for what I did.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, I'm going to find him responsible for the amended count of improper display of plate, $105, and improper expired plate, $145. Mr. Oni, when can you pay it?
Like I said, sir, like I've been working odd jobs trying to get the little that I have. So, I mean, to be honest with you, I can't put a date on it, but I know I can take care of it.
I'll put a date on it. I think we've been more than fair with you, Mr. Oni.
You have
more than fair. I understand your predicament, but it's to say that know that the economy is not what I guess everybody thought it was going to be, and I know it's tough out here, But I'll give you 30 days to figure it out. You can get into a payment plan. If you get into a payment plan, I don't know if they're even asking for the minimum 20% down. And then you can set it up with the court. I'm gonna give you till October 13th, 2025 to get that together. You don't have to come back here because these are just civil infractions. I'm waiving the warrant fees. And that's all, 145 and so $250. You'll figure it out, I'm sure. You got everything else together. You got your home safe, right?
Yes, sir.
God willing, you're gonna figure it out. You know, it's just tough times, and we'll persevere through them. And you're gonna get through it. Congratulations on getting your home saved. That's really the most important thing. And I wish you the best of luck. If they did that kiosk in the city of Detroit, told you can upload to did that after your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways.
I'm sorry, how do I enter into a payment plan?
Come down to the courthouse. Do it before October 13th. Okay. But you may strike it rich before that date too. Good luck. And I wish you the best of luck. All right, Mr. Oni?
I greatly appreciate you, Judge. Thank you.
All right, I'm congratulations on getting done everything you got done to get yourself a valid license to get on the road legally. And like I say, you're gonna make it through all this other stuff. The light may not be shining as bright as you would like it to, but I guarantee you, through persistence, perseverance, and a lot of diligence, it'll shine bright. Those bad times will pass. And we'll be looking back on that, and you'll be teaching some other people the same thing on how to get through it. But you've done the work.
Yes, sir,
So
Judge.
congratulate yourself on that, all right?
Yes, sir, Judge. Like I said, I greatly appreciate you and the court's patience with the matter.
All right, best of luck to you, Mr. Owen.
All right, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Orande Ali Gibson, case number SB 1748140, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1748171. Appearance for the record, please.
Mayor.
Ovidas Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibson.
Orande Gibson.
Good morning to you, Mr. Gibson. I want to let Mr. Berry know Mr. Gibson has completed a driver's course. I'll have that in the file. Mr. Gibson, Mr. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't get the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, and put you in the breakout room and then let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Your Honor, where's Mr. Gibson show on the docket, if I may?
I don't know if he shows on the docket. He should, but sometimes. A first page, pre-trial, 835. All right, he's in the breakout room, Mr. Berry. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ochoa Perez. Mr. Ochoa Perez, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Actually, Your Honor, I was just coming out to ask if the court could confirm the status of his license.
All right, run this license, please. All right, let's pass that matter.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Your Honor, please, yes. I don't have Mr. Gibson on my docket. Could I know the charge?
He's got insurance, a no-ops, and a accident ticket. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Kyle Jason Grant. Case numbers SB 1738110, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Come on, Your Honor.
SB 174339591. SB 17, right there. SB 114339591. SB 157000211. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Maya Davis, PA8515, standing in for counsel of record, Vaseline Johnson II. For Mr. Grant, who's appearing via Zoom. Mr. Grant, can you please unmute yourself and state your name for the record?
Kyle Grant.
Mr. Grant, say good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a trial. Let me say this. Let me stop Mrs. Harris and Mr. Berry. Both of the licenses are valid for Ochoa and Perez and Gibson. All right, let's, Mr. Grant, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to council. Council is, you want to take the your client wants to accept the recommendation?
That is correct, Your Honor. Model prosecutor has proposed an offer in which my client would like to take advantage of.
You want to take the deal, Mr.
Yes.
You want to deal, Mr. Grant? Raise your right
Yes,
hand,
sir.
please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible? Did you go over his license rights, Counselor?
Yes.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Your attorney went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
You understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
We draw your attention back to July the 13th, 2025, around 12:54 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Wintford and Vern. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to, what kind of alcohol did you have?
It was a Hennessy bottle.
Was it anything in the container?
Yes, sir.
Was it open?
Yes, sir.
All right, find your client guilty of the amended count of open alcohol passenger. $240 will be the fine. You want to stipulate to the face of the particulars and act of factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf, counsel.
Yes, stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, with those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 for the driving in an unsafe manner. We'll dismiss the other tickets. 240, I'm not gonna fine you. I'm gonna cut you a break on the limited access 1 to 5. When can you pay it, sir? 240.
In 2 weeks.
Pay it by October the 10th. 2025, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse. That's way more than 2 weeks. I'm told you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, Mr. Grant, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anybody else? Anybody else, Counselor?
No, I had, I think it's KPS, Your Honor. Mr. Clyde Lancaster, he didn't appear.
All right, very well. Be safe. Good to meet you, Counselor. Have a very good rest of your day.
Nice to meet you too, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You all right down there, Officer Wilson?
Yes, sir, I am.
But they say it's not good to hold those seats. They say.
Officer Brian Washington always say, better out than in.
It is. Orleans said that too.
Is that James here?
James Garrett, we're waiting on a lawyer.
Did you ever?
did send out information to be part of a call.
Did K1 Graves or Lopez Esteban ever check in?
K1 Graves, no. And Lopez Esteban, no.
Okay.
Pardon me? Carter.
She appoints, counsel.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, Judge, I was asking her about, Judge Carter.
Judge Carter? Go on, Mr. You don't. Okay, I appreciate that.
When I used to live in Pasadena, Perkins, Jefferson, boys. Judge Carter was pretty good. This is Steve Connor. They got the workout machines in the front when you first get there. And then the walk, you know, kind of different stuff there. I ain't been in years.
What happened to Clyde Lancaster? That was Mr. Whatchamacallit.
Lancaster was here?
No, he didn't show. That was Counselor's Court.
Everybody jumping on the Packers bandwagon.
Yeah, I got some points on that.
They was beat down, everybody starting off.
Check Lopez and Stella. Was he supposed to be with the Southwest Detroit?
Who's fine?
Yeah, still, he's supposed to be with the
8/19, when we printed it, it's a Tuesday. And what you did have to come back on Wednesday.
Do you put Southwest Detroit on here?
If it wasn't on, if it was on a Tuesday, I found I didn't.
I'll go check the Shelton and see. All
Well,
right.
but you scheduled him for 9/17, which is a Tuesday, which is a Wednesday. So you might have assigned to.
Check them out.
You want me to call Mr. Phillips?
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ochoa Perez. Mr. Perez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Mr. Ochoa Perez, the offer is that you could plead to 2 counts of improper plates. In your honor, we'll note for the record, the court did confirm a valid license. He was able to present valid insurance as well.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Ochoa Perez?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. You understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in. Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Okay, thank you.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did she not?
No, she did not.
All right,
You
go on
don't
the
remember
breakout.
me going over your, wait a minute. You don't remember me going over your rights in the breakout room and telling you had the right to have a trial?
Oh, yeah, you did. I'm sorry.
Well, did she go over your other advisor rights or not?
Yes, you did, sir.
Did you understand those rights?
I did.
You have any questions about those rights?
I do not, Your Honor.
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Nobody, sir.
All right, I'm gonna draw your attention back to January the 10th, 2025 at around 6:17 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Martin and Michigan. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Is this your 2006 Hummer?
Yes.
Yes, that's correct, sir.
All right, did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license and insurance?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No, I did not.
You didn't have any either?
I had my license, but I didn't have no insurance at that time.
And your license wasn't suspended at that time?
It was suspended, sir.
It was not suspended at that time?
It was not. They only gave me a ticket for no insurance. For no
The
insurance.
officer gave you a ticket, the officer gave you a ticket for no insurance and drove while license suspended.
Well, I believe that my license was active at that time. Because if we would have been suspended, they will have to take me into jail, right?
Say that again, I can't hear you.
Because if you was suspended, they will have taken me to jail, right? I didn't go to jail or anything.
No, that's not how it works. He could take you to jail. He doesn't have to take you to jail. He gave you a break by not taking you to jail.
Okay.
So was it suspended or not?
Well, no, that I have my knowledge of. I believe it was active that time.
So you're saying that contrary to what the officer wrote, you're saying you had a valid driver's license?
Well, I believe so. I'm not sure if it was suspended or not.
So are you saying do you know you had a license or not?
Well, like I told you, I thought I did.
Your Honor, it was 2 counts of improper plates.
I know, but I was trying to get for one, so I can just take one factual basis, but. All right, let me draw your attention back to May the 16th, 2021 at around 12:07 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Fort and Stocker. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
When was that? I'm sorry, sir.
Pardon me?
When was that?
On April the 16th, 2021 at around 12:07 p.m. in the area of Fort and Stocker in the city of Detroit. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
You were operating that same 2006 Hummer?
That's correct, sir.
And did you have insurance on that day?
I did not have insurance at that time.
You did not have insurance?
No.
All right, find them guilty of the amended count of improper plate, stipulate the probable cause for dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna only fine you for one. I'm gonna cut your break on the other one, sir. $240. I'll waive the warrant fees. When can you pay?
Can I get a month to pay it?
All right, you're gonna have some other, those other civil infractions that you had a long time ago are gonna be on there as well. I'll give you until October the 13th to get it paid. I'll mark the file allow payment plan. Do one of two things, Mr. Ochoa Perez.
Do you know how
Pay
much
it at any
it
given.
is?
Pardon me. Say what you're gonna say, Mr. Ochoa Perez.
Oh, do you know how much is in total?
I don't know how much the total is gonna be. 216, 174, and 240. 216, 174, and 240. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or come on down to the courthouse before October 13th, 2025, and get into that payment plan. Come back October 13th, let us know what you did. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day. And I'm reading here that you have a felony warrant as of 9/8/2025. So you may want to inquire and get it, check into that. I don't know what jurisdiction that's out of.
Yes, I already checked out on my attorney, sir.
All right, you know about that. All right, just want to make you aware. Thank you, Officer Fitzgerald Harris. Officer Fitzgerald Harris, put your appearance of name, badge, number, department on the record, please.
Yes, Officer Fitzgerald Harris, badge 1442, Detroit Police Department.
And Officer Sharif, good morning to you. Badge number, department for the record, please. All right, he's here. All right, everyone is free to leave. Mr. Ochoa, have a very good day. Mr. Officer Fitzgerald Harris, Officer Sharif, you have a very good day. Everybody be safe out there. Best of luck to you all.
You too, Your Honor.
Thank you, Honor. You too. You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Raymond Jamel Anthony Green. Case number SP 176-2382, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 176-23831. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. Green.
Good morning, Mr. Green. State your name for the record, please.
Raymond Green.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a show cause, is it?
Yes.
Show cause. Purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Green, I'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right? Let's pass the matter.
Right.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea of 1 to 5 over as to the accident charge and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gibson?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find your client guilty of the amended count of 1 to 5 for the accident, $125. When can you pay it, Mr. Gibson?
I can pay it next week, by next week.
And what about September the 19th? On Friday of next, what is that? No, that's just Friday of next week?
Yeah, actually, can I make it the 26th?
26.
Yes, I can pay it the 26th.
Right. 26. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. Told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse to pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Be safe out there and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You said how much was it?
125.
125. All right, got you. Thank you.
Take it easy. City of Detroit versus Kenyatta Monique Lester. Case number SP 172-6026, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your name again, Ms. Lester.
Kenyatta Leaster.
Leaster, I'm sorry, ma'am. Day, date, and time set for, and good morning to you, is set for a.
Good morning.
Okay, under 8:30.
8:30, set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Well, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Leaster, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. All right, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Just pass the matter. Let's go.
Yeah. Oh, crispy chicken. Oh, chicken.
Oh my gosh, don't say
It just ate that place.
It wasn't that good.
No. About you, Mr.
I'm just
chicken too.
I'm just mad that crispy chicken is all the way with them tearing up Greek Town, making it harder to get around there.
Crispy, crunchy chicken.
Yeah,
That's some good stuff. Man.
yeah. 'Cause I would go there, but
You can't walk over
I
there?
don't feel like walking over there.
Or you would drive?
You can't drive through there right now.
It's good to walk though.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, you can't cross the front.
No.
What if you walk up Bucky? Cross over the sleeping?
They got it like all tore up.
Oh.
So again, crispy chicken all the way at the end in the store.
That's actually the best crispy chicken.
It is, because the other one on Jefferson not as good. That's the first place I ever had deep fried corn.
That's nice.
Deep fried corn? Corn on the cob, I said.
Yeah.
You never had corn on the cob?
Not deep fried like that. No. That was the first time I ever had
It's
it.
probably good.
It was good.
Everything.
All right, let's go back on the record, all right, did we call Mr. James Garrett? We didn't call Mr. James Garrett into the record, did we?
And also there's no law. Otherwise, it's like the exact same thing. Give it a try. That's not
Ms.
it.
Leister, can you turn your background noise off, please?
I'm gonna get out of here with this 3-year-old.
Judge, we called James Garrett.
We did call James Garrett?
Yes, we did. Yes.
And let's go back on the record with Mr. James Isaac Garrett, case number SP, or Mr. Baughman, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Gary Baughman, P55052 for Mr. James Garrett.
All right, Mr. Garrett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What's your client want to do, Mr. Baughman?
Judge, I want to thank you for the opportunity to meet Mr. Garrett. We're asking respectfully that the matter be set for, we'll go with the trial date, Judge, and I've ordered discovery right away on this matter. And appear for trial, ready.
October 20th is the trial date, Mr. Garrett. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
What time, Judge?
At 9 a.m., I'm sorry.
All right, thanks, baby.
All right, best of luck to you. Thank you, Mr. Baughman.
Thank you.
Everybody have a very good rest of your day.
Mr. Garrett, I'll be in touch. Thank you again, Your Honor. Everybody have a great weekend. Bye.
You too.
This is the city of Detroit. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Leister. Ms. Leister, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial date and the appointment of counsel.
That's what you want, Ms. Leister?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is this 313-576-6782 the best number to reach you?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna set a pretrial date, Ms. Leaster, for October the 14th, 2025 at 8:30. I set that for a date for a pretrial just to make sure you got that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by October 14th, we'll appoint one for you on the spot. Answer the calls. I'll just ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Leaster, best of luck to you. Have a very good day. October 14th, we'll see you back, all right?
Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well. City of Detroit versus Corey Gaskin, case number SB 1762686, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gaston.
Corey Gaskin, unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, please. Oh, it's not an option. You got to start your camera, sir. Start your camera, sir.
My bad. One thing. I'm right. I'm doing it. It's a little. All right, there we go.
All right, very good. Take your hat off, sir. Good morning to you.
How you doing?
Today's date and time set for a pre-trial, Mr. Gaskin. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to trial, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Gustavo Garcia Fernandez. Gustavo Garcia Fernandez. Gustavo Garcia Fernandez. I'm tired of him. I am tired of him. He fell asleep. You know, he probably at work. I can get work. Me.
Judge, did you call Clyde Lancaster?
No, Clyde Lancaster never showed.
Judge, I call James Phillips. Lopez asked the court to accept community service with them. I didn't send it to Ms. Shelton.
All right, let's go show cause anyway. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Corey Gaskin. Mr. Gaskin, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial date and the appointment of counsel.
Okay. That's what you want to do, Mr. Gaskin?
Yeah.
October 14th, 2025 is going to be your next court date. I don't know if you were listening to the previous person.
If I wanted to just pay it, I could do that as well, and it'll be all over. Or I get points or something like that.
Well, it depends on what the offer is. If they offer you the park closed, you'll pay it. That won't get any points, but if they offer you any open alcohol, they'll give you, it'll be 2 points on your driver's license.
Okay, yeah, no, I'm taking the trial then.
All right. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
586-945-0714.
586-945-0714.
Yep.
I need you to answer the calls. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on October the 14th at 8:30. I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day. That's gonna be a pre-trial date, so your attorney you'll still have your trial right available on that date, all right?
Okay, cool. So if he don't give me a call by the 14th, y'all just appoint me one that day.
That day.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
Bye-bye.
All right. So I had a meeting, well, not a meeting, but an encounter with one of our fans that watches, and it was pretty fun. Miss Blyton, I hope she's watching now. Her and her daughter, I saw them in Meyer yesterday.
Oh, wow.
And,
You famous, Judge.
I mean, she was good. She was cool. She was cool. Her son actually is a small world because her son went to the same school as my son went to. My nephews and everything, and he knows my nephews.
What high school is that, Judge?
U of D Jesuit.
Well, we used to play.
He was a Mr. Runner-up for Mr. Basketball.
Oh, he's pretty good.
Oh my gosh, you gotta be out of sight, and he's gonna be playing at the University of Toledo this year. And I told her I was at him to see her down at one of the games. I'm coming forward. I think they're playing at Michigan State, but it's quicker to get to Toledo than it is to Michigan State.
It is?
Yeah, because Toledo's an hour, Michigan State's an hour and a half.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah, you can get there in 30 minutes, no matters where you live.
No, I drive like a whole lane.
She said you can get to Toledo in 30 minutes.
I probably got the old ticket.
So Miss Blight and her daughter was real cool. And her sister, she got her sister on we FaceTime call on everything. So
is the University of Toledo Division I?
Yeah, shoot, they put out one of the pros, couple pros.
Okay.
They put out. All right, Miss Lindsay.
Yes.
Why are you late, ma'am?
I've been in the meeting and it was waiting. I've been in here since 8:40. So
Not in this meeting, you haven't.
This is the same one. I just so happened to refresh it and it popped up this time. I don't know what's going on.
City of Detroit versus Rihanna, I'm sorry, Rihanna Lindsay, case numbers SP 1699140, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1699601, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1709038, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1764713, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1764751. Mr. Berry, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name for the record, Ms. Lindsay.
Rihanna Lindsay.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand read.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. You have your pen ready, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a expired plate, a no insurance misdemeanor, an expired plate, a no valid registration, a no insurance proof. She owes a reinstatement fee. I'll allow her to pay it up front. Disregarding a stop sign or traffic control device. No insurance misdemeanor. Expired plate. Ms. Lindsay, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, recall the warrants, give you a $0 bond. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
I just passed the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is requesting a trial date.
I'm gonna set a trial date, Mr. Green, for October the 20th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Mr. Gustavo Garcia Fernandez. Come on, check out. The name, Mr. Basketball runner-up, averaging 21 points, 7 rebounds, 5 assists, 2.3 steals. He's deep on the basketball court.
And D2.
1 point, no, it's on D1.
Yeah, I'm saying he's playing D2 because of all the steals.
Oh, yeah. 1.3 blocks per game.
Oh, it's pretty good.
He shot 67 of them, very good. Shot 67% from the field. 40%.
67% from, is he a big man or something?
Oh, 6'1".
Wow.
He's a sharpshooter. 40% from the 3-point range and 87% from three-point. I wonder who won Mr. Basketball.
Right. Who are they stats? Yeah, he only 6'1" playing like that.
Man, he might be in the NBA. Toledo put out one guy went, he transferred. He was lights out too. He transferred, I think, Baylor.
Okay. Well, that's a good college.
Yeah, I was, and then the other guy was my buddy Left. You remember Left, the one that used to come in here?
Left?
You know, the guy who that passed away. They come in here about the students and for the.
I remember you told me he passed, but I can't get a video on him. But what's up?
He coached up this one kid from University of Toledo when he was younger, and he's in the NBA too.
Wow.
What's his name?
I have to go back.
And he made it to the NBA?
He looked it up.
He's in the NBA now.
Ray Dennis?
Ray Dennis. Ray Dennis. Ray Dennis, I think, is he might have been the one that transferred.
Cedric Milner Jr.
Where did Ray Dennis go to school? High school.
Let me see. Ray Dennis is 24 years old. Went to Oswego East High School.
The guy there arrested the guy that killed that Charlie Perkins.
He went to Oswego High School, Montini Catholic High School, and Heritage Grove.
I think Ray Dennis is the other dude that transferred.
Harvey Knuckles, AJ Eaton.
Are we ready on anybody, Ms. Harris? You don't have anyone on.
I do not.
I was gonna give you Garcia Hernandez, but I don't know what he's doing. Hernandez. They play Michigan State on television.
Cedric Milner Jr. went to Grand Rapids.
No, I'm gonna show you a second. I'm going. Ray J. Dennis is the guy that ended up transferring to Baylor. He was, moving bikes out. Yeah. And I think they put him down on the TV, cheating. He may have got to it. That was Ray J. Dennis.
It's gotta be AJ Edu.
He's the leader.
There is.
Ryan Rollins.
Ryan Rollins. Oh, yeah, I see it now. He was selected the Golden State Warriors in the 2020 Super Bowl. Ryan Rollins. Says Ray J. Dennis, Larry Jones.
It just looks like they put Ryan Rollins down to the G League as well. I'm sure he's got a two-way deal.
Yeah.
But at one point, he was coming and doing his thing in the NBA.
No, it say he played for the Milwaukee Bucks.
I know, but he's done it said that he went down to the G League. He was doing his thing. October 25th, March 2025, he's got a standing contract. So he's in. And all, but yeah, I mean, Left and I always talk about him. He said he was, I watched him, he said he was playing, and he was doing a very good job.
So great. Oh, yeah, I remember him. How old was he again? How old was he?
He was 8, I think.
Oh, okay. Still young. Sister turned 58 today.
Yes. Happy birthday to, what's your sister's name?
Tracy.
Tracy Mathis?
Tracy Wilbur.
Tracy, happy birthday to Tracy. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lindsay. Miss Lindsay, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to 6 to 10 miles over for the disregarding a red signal charge and 2 counts of improper plates for the no insurance and no insurance proof charges off docket. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
2 counts of improper plates and a 6 to 10.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that a 6 to 10 limited access?
No, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. We understand the maximum possible penalty for the offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine.
Can you repeat that? I can't hear you.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
How long do I have to pay it?
We haven't got to that point yet.
Oh, all right. No question.
You have any questions about the rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
You can come downstairs.
No.
All right, let me draw your attention.
Trying to find the 27. But you ain't picked them up.
Back to
Last night that you take, you ain't picked them.
Is this your 2017 Ford, ma'am?
Yes.
Draw your attention back to March the 22nd, 2025 at around 11:57 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile and Fenmore. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating that motor vehicle, that 2017 Ford?
Yes.
And the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
I had a valid driver's license.
No, I'm sorry. You couldn't, the officer asked you to produce valid insurance.
Oh, okay. Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Because you didn't have the insurance at the time?
No.
Okay, very well. All right, I'm finding you guilty of the amended count of improper plate for not having the insurance. Let me draw your attention. Let me draw your attention back to June the 8th, 2025, around 5:46 p.m. in the city of Detroit. in the area of 7 Mile and Warwick. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating that same 2017 Ford,
Yes.
officer asked you to produce a valid insurance on that day.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No.
Why is that?
You said why?
Yes.
Because I'm in school. I haven't been working. I don't have the money for that.
You didn't have insurance, correct?
Yes.
Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper play. For the disregard of red signal, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right. I'm gonna cut you a break, ma'am. I'm gonna fine you just for the amended count of running that red light, $135. I won't fine you for the other stuff. $135. When can you pay? Yeah, I'll just give you October 13th. Pay it by October 13th. Pay it at any that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Good luck in school, ma'am. And I hope you can secure yourself a job. And if there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You have a good day as well.